Looking at HPE here on the weekly time frame, you can see that we have been steadily stair-stepping to the upside in this uptrend that it's been on. And over the past week, or I should say this week, we've pushed all the way down to the weekly demand level here at 2248 and just barely kissed that level. It looks like we're recoiling to the upside. So let's go ahead and look at the daily time frame here. On the daily time frame, you can see that we've done a nice little bounce here off of the purple zone here at 2162. Looks like we're going to retest the highs. So considering that we're in an uptrend and we're making new highs all the time and new higher lows, I'm looking for this one to break here. So I'm looking for us to hit right around the 24 potentially this coming week, and just looking for it to continue in the uptrend movement. But this is a kind of a pivotal spot for us just because we are retesting the highs here and it could have a potential to fail. And if we do fail, I would be looking for that 2162 level for it to go down to as price potentially goes into somewhat of a range period of time. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we just bounced off the 2210 level in this nice support zone, and like I said before, we're coming into the resistance up here at 2351, just below 24. Okay, and it's going to see how this how price reacts to this level here. But overall, the trend is up, so I think we could get a little retracement back down, but overall be pushing to the upside here. So we might see another retest of this 2307 level as price recoils off of it. Kind of stays into a small range, a little recoil to 2307 for a nice support and resistance type bounce, and then pushing all the way up into the $24 range. Looking at Urban Outfitters, or URBN, we can see that price reloaded into a nice weekly zone here on the weekly time frame, starting at 39.45 up to 41.49, and we're pushing down lower. Okay, so right now we're still in an uptrend, so realize that we could be visiting the lower parts of the range here on this one. I don't really see us doing anything outside of the norm, but I'm looking for the uptrend to basically continue on here and for us to be retesting low, and kind of a channel type of idea coming on here, just as price is doing what it's doing right now. Okay, so something like this is what I would think is going on right now, and I'm just looking for it to come to the bottom of the channel, if you will. Okay, so that's really what I'm seeing happening here, and I still think that the uptrend is going on. We just have to be aware of where is the bottom of this channel. Now, as we look at the bottom of the channel, I could see us bouncing off of the 3204 level up to 3262. Okay, so that's a nice little fresh level that we have down there. If we were to again gap into it or just hit that level, we could bounce right back up in the direction of the uptrend. But let's not forget that we are in the middle of an uptrend. Okay, so even though we're pushing down hard and fast with some gap movements, I wouldn't be surprised to see a nice little bounce here and to keep on pushing up. Looking at the 4-hour time frame here, you can see that we recoiled off of the resistance zone up here at 39.18. It looks like we're going to push again down into the 32.62 level. We did get a quick bounce off of it off of the 4-hour time frame, but I wouldn't be surprised to see a retest of that level. And as we look at it on the 4-hour time frame, this line has changed a little bit, just according to what it looked like on the weekly, and that's just an illusion of the platform that I'm using here. Okay, so again, I would look for a retest of this and possibly a nice little bounce off of that level yet again in our overall direction to the upside. If we break this level, then I think maybe something new could be happening, but only time will tell, and I'm looking for a nice little bounce off of it. And basically I could see us, maybe going back and forth in this range area here from 32.62 up to 39.18 would be a nice range play, and we will just continue to look at that over the next week.